guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the Hippo VNC or the Hippo Remote application in action here on my Mac. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the application, but I'm going to use it side by side with my ScreenFlow recording so you guys can better see what I'm doing on the machine. So let me just go ahead and zoom in with the camera for you guys on the screen. Like I said before, guys, I'm not touching the trackpad and I'm not touching the mouses. I'm only touching my iPod Touch right here. So let me just go ahead and zoom in on the screen here. So as you see, I'm completely zoomed in on the screen. This just pans in focus. And so now I'm going to use my iPod and I'm going to go ahead and launch up the program ScreenFlow. But I'm going to go ahead and use the application, that menu bar, to create a new recording. So I'm going to record. And so here we are recording. So it's 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so now I'm recording with ScreenFlow, so you guys should see what's going on my screen right now, side by side. So now I have my iPod Touch here, so I can go ahead and pan around the screen just by going ahead and moving around my fingers like it is a trackpad. Sorry if you guys can't see this. Let me go ahead and zoom out. So I can pan around the screen just by using my fingers like a trackpad. And if I wanted to go ahead and launch up an application, I would go ahead and pan down to the application. So let's say I wanted to launch up Finder here. Just go ahead and tap the screen and it should launch up the Finder right here. Everything works the same. I can go ahead and close out of the window right here and I can go ahead and launch stuff up. So I want to go ahead and launch Chrome now. So as you see here, I'm using nothing but my iPod Touch. So now Google Chrome has loaded up on my screen. So now let's go to google.com. So I'm gonna wait. So let's go back to that new tab. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and launch up google.com. I'd have to go ahead and type in google.com. So you go up here to the address bar. Then I'm gonna go here and click on the keyboard. And it brings up the keyboard as you see here. I'm gonna tilt it sideways. Then I'm gonna type in Google. Oh wait, I don't need a space. Google.com and then click enter. As you notice, it brought up google.com. So I'm going to go ahead and click clear history here and click yes so that it doesn't remember that. And so now as you notice, I am on google.com. And I can still do the same thing. I can pan around, click links and stuff. But if I click on here, go to keyboard again, I can just search for some random stuff. So let's just search for something like that. So as you notice, the keyboard works actually pretty good. Let's go back to the trackpad. So now what I wanted to show you here is, let me just go ahead and close out of Chrome for a second. Now what I wanted to show you guys was the select profile buttons up there. Sorry if you can't see that. So if I go ahead and click on select profile, it should bring up something like this, which selects different applications. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and bring up, I don't know, let's click an application. I'm going to bring up, I don't know, let's go with Safari. So I click that and it automatically brings up Safari like you see there, and all I did was click on that. And now I can go ahead and just mess around in Safari like I wanted to, but I want to go ahead and minimize that. And here in settings, as I said before, you can change your settings. But as you notice, I'm still on Safari and select the profile. And down here I have a bunch of different shortcuts. I can go back, open, search, logins, and I can choose my macros. So sorry if you can't see that. Now you can see that. So anyway, you can use this to go ahead and control your Mac and your PC. So anyway, that is me going ahead and controlling my computer with my iPod. And let me just go ahead and stop the recording for you guys. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click stop record. Okay guys, so that is how to go ahead and control your computer with your iPod Touch or iPhone. This will work on a Mac and PC and surprisingly Linux too. All you need is an iPod Touch, a computer. You need to download the Hippo VNC application on the computer, and then you need to go to the App Store and you need to go ahead and pay $5.99 for the Hippo Pro application on here. And then you can use your iPod Touch or iPhone as a mouse and a keyboard for both of your computers. So anyway, that is how to go ahead and use your iPod Touch as a mouse for your computer. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please make sure to go ahead and leave suggestions for videos in the comments below. And anyway, now I'll see you guys.